Review you all the secrets of a beautiful Brazilian boom boom, ankle weights and all the angles. So let's go to your elbows, all four position. You're gonna make sure that your elbows and knees are square. You're gonna reach one leg all the way up, raise your leg all the way up, reach the hand out, the opposite hand of your leg. Now bring your knee all the way down to your chest to stretch the boom boom. That's another secret. And go all the way up and contract. And down, stretch and push all the way up. And go all the way down. And exhale up. You have to hold your abdominals very tight to protect your back. Go all the way down, stretch, and all the way up, push with your heel. And down to your in and up and down. You have one more, slow, and we're gonna do a little faster. And one and down, and up and down, up, nice. Now keep going there, all the way up. Use the whole length of the movement, but you have to keep a nice back here and support your back with your abdominals. You go all the way up, push the heel, and hold it up now for me. And you're gonna do short, 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 up, up. Five. Come on, squeeze. Now it's all about working the boom boom here. Is the whole leg moving one whole unit. And two, one hold and stretch. Go all the way down. Give me a child's pose, stretch. And that's the secret. We're going to work in many different angles. That's going to make a very nice shape. So let's go back and go to the next one. On your elbows, we're going to set up at the same time. One hand out, lift all the way up your legs. All the way up. Bring your leg down to your chest, and we're going to start from here. Go up. One, cross, up, and down. Up, cross, up, and down. Up, all the way across. That's a different angle. So you go straight, you change the angle, you hit another part of your butt, and that's what's going to give that nice, perky butt that you want to go to the beach. Okay? And up. Come on, we're almost there. Keep going. We have two more. And last one, go up and stretch. Go all the way down. You're doing so good. Do you feel that, guys? Do you feel that at home? Okay, let's go. Next one, on your elbows. And you're going to reach your hands out. Just, yes, the opposite hand is extend your leg, Mary, all the way back. And you're going to lift. You keep your hips square. And you're going to lift your leg. One and down. And up for two. Down for two. Up and down. You have to move with a lot of control. So you X all the way up and all the way down. And squeeze that boom boom every time. And last one is low. And now we're going to switch to tempo. Ready, go. Up and down. And up. Yes. Nice job. Every time you go up, you squeeze the boom boom. Get that round boom boom all the way up. And last one. And hold it up. Short. Give me short ones. Move from here. Can you see? Nice and round. And squeeze, squeeze. Breathe. Come on. Keep breathing. Keep holding your abdominals. 2, 1, and release. Child's pose. Great job. Very nice. Okay. Now we're going to go back to the form that were before. This is our basic form for this exercise. You reach out your hand, you extend your leg back, and we're going to do different angle. It's all about the angle. Let's go up, cross, up, and down. So I want to go up like a V shape. Up is a V upside down. That's what I meant. Let's go. Up and down. You go up, across, up, and down. Up, bring across. Up, yes, and down, up, nice job. You have one more. You go up, and nice, good. Stretch, sit all the way back, long back. Let's go back and off stretching. Let's work. We're going to do the rainbow. So you're going to bring your arms out, leg all the way back. Now I want you to bring your foot out in diagonal, outside. This is going to be a half circle movement. So let's go, guys. Up, across, up and out. Up, across, up and out. So you're doing like the rainbow. Across, up and out. Yes, big. Across and out. And across and out. You really have to hold your abdominals tight. Keep your hips square. You have two more. And one more all the way across, and that's it, guys. Excellent job. Let's do a child's pose, and it's time to start the other side. So now that you're doing the other side, I want you to go back to your elbows. You're gonna reach the arm out the other side. Let's bring the leg out. Yes. You're gonna bring your knee all the way into your chest, all the way in to stretch the boom boom first. Now get ready. We're gonna go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You lift, you push with your heel and go all the way down. Stretch the boom boom. All the way up, squeeze and down, and up for 2 and down. You exhale up, push the heel and go all the way down. Stretch the boom boom and up for 2. Down for 2. This is the last one slow, and we're gonna do tempo up. 1, push. 2, breathe. 3, you have to hold the core, hold your abdominals, and squeeze the boom boom. Up, and one more, you go up and stay up. Now short, still moving the whole leg. Okay, as one whole unit, and squeeze the boom boom, look nice and round, holding tight. You're doing great. Hold for 4, 3, 2, and you're done. You deserve a break. Let's go.
I feel it.
Great, Sia. I know you're feeling too. So let's go back. We're gonna go to your elbows. We're gonna reach out, and you're gonna bring the leg up, across, up and down, up, across. So like I told you, it's all about the angle. You change the angle, you change completely the workout. A little change, it's a big change. Believe me, trust me, and you're gonna get a beautiful boom boom butt. Now you're gonna get a beautiful Brazilian boom boom. Up, and you have 2 more. Push with your heel all the way up. Use the whole length of movement. Last one, across, up and down, and stretch all the way back. Great job. Really take a deep breath there. It's a little rest because I know that those ankle weights is really getting to you now. So let's go back to your elbows. Reach your arm out. Extend your leg all the way back. Okay, so now you're going to flex your foot and raise your leg doubles. Up, 2, down for 2. You go up, higher, and down. You go lift your legs, squeeze your boom boom, and up, 2, hold your abdominals, keep your hips square, go all the way up and all the way down. Up, nice. You have 2 more, and then we're gonna change the tempo. Last one, you're doing great. Singles now, let's go. Up and down, up and down. Sphere is doing without ankle weights. She's still working hard. You can start there, and then you can go to ankle weights. Up, hold it up now, short, 2, 3, 4, and then you can do 1 ankle weight, or you can double up. You're going to get stronger, 2 ankle weights, and release. Nice job, guys. You're doing so good. Stretch, sit back, relax, take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale, and we're going to go back, a different angle. On your elbows, straight leg behind. You're going to flex your foot, and you're going to lift your leg up. You cross, up, and down. So this is like the inverted V. It's a V shape down. Up, across, up, and down. Keep the leg moving, the whole leg as one whole unit, and down. Up, across, come on, up and down. Nice job, lift. Hold your abdominals tight. Keep the body strong. Yes, up. You have 1 more. Cross, up and down, and stretch. All the way back. Nice job. Excellent. Okay, time for a new one. We're going to do the rainbow. So you extend your leg back, bring all the way outside, and we're going to do half circles. You're going to go up, across, up and out. Up, across, up and out. Half circles. And out. Up, across, up and out. Flex your foot, across and up, like a half circle. Think about the rainbow on the beach, the beautiful day, and you're like crossing your leg, out and across. And last one, and across, and bring it back and relax. Excellent job. You're doing so good. Okay, well, let's change now. We're gonna go to the inner thigh, okay? So I want you to